Hello everyone, a Leetcode a day. Today our problem is add two numbers, which is the second question in Leetcode. Um, so basically it's two empty linked list, and each of the linked lists represent a non-negative integer. For example here, 4243 is a linked list, and the digits are stored in a reverse order. So 243 means 342. And what we need to do is to add the two numbers and return it as a linked list. So for this one, 342 plus 465 equals 807. Let's look at how we solve it. So basically this is just an implementation of mathematics, so we don't have a lot of complicated algorithm behind it. Uh, so for here, of course, this like we were taught in primary school, we just add the two numbers digit by digit, right, from the end to the beginning. So first we need to create a result, which stores our result, right, and we set an initial value to the result node, and we use a temp to give another reference to this object, which will be used in our further calculation for each of the digit in the while loop. And we need a carry for each of the digit because we have to record whether we have some carry from the previous digit. So this is the main while loop here. So basically we uh, any of this exists, we have to go through this while loop, because actually L1 and L2 might not be the same length, and also we could happen like after we're calculating the last digit, we still have a carry, so we still need to add on. So value 1, this is a trick we have to, actually this is trying to deal with the corner case. Like if L2 is longer than L1, we have to, then when we calculate the last digit of L2, we have to set a 0 to this value 1. And it's the same with this, with value 2. What if the L1 is longer than L2, we also need to assign 0 when we're calculating the later digits. And the most important part in this question is this remainder and carry, I think. So remainder is, of course, we add those three guys together, and we took the remainder of 10 because this is a decimal. If it's binary, we just use 2, right? For carry, we just double divide by 10, and we get the carry for the next digit. After doing this, we will create a new list node with the value of remainder and put it to the temp.next, because temp is our result. This is actually a dummy node. And after doing this, we move on, right? We move on to the next digit. So temp equals temp.next. And also we move the L1 list node to the next one. Same for the L2. And finally, we return our result. But remember, this is just a dummy node, so we have to return the next one because this is not what we need, right? What we actually calculated is the next one. So yeah, that's it for this question. Please follow and subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you.